Today is an exciting day. My new splitter is here, right there in the front yard. That is the all-wood Birch Vertical, first of its kind. So I'm lucky enough to have it, and today we're gonna get to using it together. So I used it a little bit at the show. I did split up one round with it just to get a feel for it. I think I'm gonna love it. But either way, we're gonna find out together today. I've got all this stuff over here. It's all ash. A neighbor of mine, John, thank you. He had that cut down and delivered it to me, which is even better. And then another friend of mine, Dan, another subscriber viewer, had this giant stuff cut down. We're not getting into that today though. I don't have the strength yet. If you're not aware, I tore my bicep a while ago. This will be my first time splitting wood since probably April, something like that. And I'm looking forward to doing it. So lucky for me, just in time, the new splitter showed up. It's powered by a Honda GX390. It has a 20-inch stroke. You can get 24 if you do want a 24-inch stroke, if that's important to you. Most of my wood is 16 inches, so that's not a huge concern of mine. It's a pretty good setup. Hydraulic tank's back here, so it's got a torsion axle underneath. It's got a big giant log lift, which is pretty sweet, and which will double as a working area. It's kind of dark over here, sorry. And so I've already got some rounds loaded up onto it. And another new feature is this pin right here. And I'll show you how all that works one of these days, but that just locks the log lift up for transport. It works great. It made it all the way back to Ohio, or from Ohio to New York, and it was still locked in place when I got here, so works like it's supposed to. Either way, we're not gonna go over specs right now. We're just gonna get into using it. So let me get this thing fired up and we will get splitting. Here we go. Forgot something. I need someplace to put the junk. So I'm gonna go get the garbage can so that I can slide that stuff into the garbage so that it doesn't go all over the ground, so it's less to clean up later. And the answer is no, you can't put a 4-way wedge on there. I know a lot of guys are gonna ask, and if you did, you would cut your fingers off because there's nowhere to hold the wood. So single wedge, plenty fast enough, 4-second cycle time, that's all the way up and down. So if I adjusted it down for 16 inches, it's probably in the 3-second cycle range. So either way, single wedge is the only way, because otherwise you would have a lot less of these. there is the first tote of firewood, boiler wood. If you notice, there was all sorts of different sizes in there. I didn't cut this, it came to me pre-cut, and beggars can't be choosers. It was free, and I appreciate not having to cut it, and I'm just gonna slice it up because I need the wood for me next year. I did move the wedge all the way to the highest position it'll go, which is 20 inches. And by doing that, you just move this. We'll get into the details of this thing another day, the technical specs of things. This was just the first run, and honestly, pretty awesome. It exceeded my expectations, but I said that about the 1222, and the 1222 is a great machine. It just wasn't great for me. So a vertical splitter, I think, is the best move for my operation, mainly because it's just me 99% of the time, and I can just split right into the totes like I did, stack it, grab the tractor, put it away, and I don't have to touch it again until I either bundle it or I put it in the boiler. So that's the new plan. I gotta buy some more totes, but we'll get to that. But so the oil does not have an oil cooler on this. And if you can see, if that'll focus, we're right about 120 degrees temperature in the tank. So I don't know if that's good or not. Bobby, if you see this video, you'll have to let me know if 120 is a good operating temperature. Everything's splitting fine. It's got plenty of power. The Birch Vertical TC's Outdoors Edition. I think the standard color is black. They have a lot of colors they're going to do. I was talking to one of the guys at the show. They're doing an OD green one when they get back to the shop. Hopefully they post some pictures of that on their Facebook page or something, because I think that's going to be pretty awesome. They're going to do some custom stuff to that, so look forward to seeing that. And all in all, I'm stoked about having this. I'm going to split a lot of wood, and which is good because I need to. Because if you see over there, that's where my inventory used to be. I've got about a cord and a half left out of all that firewood that was over there between what I sold and what I'm going to use in the boiler. So that's not good because I want to be 2 years ahead, and right now I'm about this year ahead, and that's it. So I have probably, I think there's 6 face cords back there in the tote stacked up already. And this year when I filled the boiler, or the wood shed, excuse me, it took 15 totes. So my goal is to gonna have at least 15 by, I don't know, Christmas or so. And then we'll grow on that. So hopefully I have like 30 by springtime, so that I'm good for a year or two, just in case injury happens like it did this year. So there we go. Birch Vertical, success, first run. It's awesome. I'm gonna get another tote done today, but I'm gonna turn the camera off and just do that by myself. Hopefully, I see you guys in the next one, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you later. Take care. Bye. Let's summarize the Birch Vertical real quick in one word. Awesome. So we're gonna try to get the rest of this split up today. Me. Let's see who else is out here with me. Nobody, just me.